Greetings to all. This is a video regarding CSIR Innovation Award 2021, powered by Government of India, Ministry of Science and Technology, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. So, CSIR Innovation Award for School Children 2021. So, eligibility criteria for students is any Indian school going student up to class 12th can participate in this competition below 18 years of age on 1st January 2021. So 15 awards for noble scientific and technological concept, idea or design or solution to existing societal problems or any kind of social problem regarding it. If you are providing that innovation, you can have a prize worth of 1 lakh first prize, second prize for 50,000, two prizes will be given, third prize 30,000, three prizes will be given, fourth prize worth of 20,000, four prizes will be given to participant, and fifth prize worth of 10,000, only five participants can get this. So, and submission of entries in hard copy along with authentication letter from the school will provide you this kind of award from this scientific innovation award. So CSIR innovation award for this year, then last date for that is 31st May. So you can visit www.csir.res.in. So you can do that. So innovation protection unit, the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, NISCIR building, 3rd floor, 14 Satsang Bihar Marg, New Delhi 110067, India. So this is the address. And so the last date of the receipt of application of CSIR Innovation Award for School Children 2021 from 30th April 2021 to 31st May 2021. So this is the date, and you can submit your entries through ciasc.ipu@niscair.res.in, also through the email ID. Scanned copies of authentication certificate having school seal and date issued by the principal or head of the school where the student is enrolled is necessary with the proposal. In absence of the same, your school principal may please forward the entry on this email ID. And CSIR Innovation Award for School Children, which is CIASC 2021. So there are some aspects on the basis of which this program is running. So first one is motivation. Council of Scientific, Industrial and Research, which is CSIR, is the premier industrial research and development organization, R&D, in India. Innovation Award for School Children to create awareness, interest and motivation for intellectual property has been created to support scientific temperament and generate innovative spirit amongst school children. Award CIASC is an annual national competition to harness or to develop the creative and innovative spirit of the school children. The competition has been started in the year 2002 on the occasion of World Intellectual Property Day, which is celebrated on 26th April. So CSIR invites students to send their original creative ideas, technological designs for this competition. Support is provided by the proposal invited for the board are for exploration of the ideas and for providing the feasibility or the possibility of the concept on intellectual property right. Winning entries are selected on the basis of novelty, which is originality, how much original your idea is. It cannot be a copied idea. Utility, how it can be used. So any new concept or design or solution for an existing problem which is present in your locality, in any kind of machine, any kind of tool you need. So you can method or any kind of utility if you provide a solution for that or idea for that. so it can be supported. So the proposal submitted should be one of the noble and utilitarian one, because it should be original, should never be copied from somebody's else idea. It could be a new concept or idea or design or a solution to an existing problem, or completely a new method, process, device, utility, etc. So design idea, however, innovation related to other topic would be equally be eligible. Essay or mere computation of information from published literature downloaded from internet will not be considered if you are copying any idea from internet or from any already published ideas. So innovations, it cannot be accepted. Details of any systems guidance provided by teachers or parents or friends or other must be appropriately acknowledged. So applicant must submit the detailed innovation proposal by hard copies in English or Hindi, not more than 5,000 words, along with the authentication certificate having seal and date issued by the principal or head of the school the student is enrolled. So proposal must have title of innovation, name and date of birth of the candidates, school and residential address, class, telephone number and email address. So selection is based on this program, which is innovation award for scientific research. So innovation development are published or exhibited during the period January 1 2020 to 31st December 2020 for consideration of the award. The applications for the award not exceeding 5,000 words in English Hindi with requisite drawing photographs will be considered. The write-up must be described as subject. The write-up must describe the subject matter in a problem solution mode, highlighting the novel feature of innovation and its advantages. The awardees will be selected by a high-level award selection committee. The decision of the award selection committee or CSIR will be final and binding the applicants, and no inquiries or correspondence in this regard be entertained. Award would be announced on or before 26 September 2021. Criteria for applicant and application. Any Indian school going student up to 12th and below 18 years of the age as on 1st January 2021 would be eligible to apply in English or Hindi through the principal or head of the institution or school. A proposal can be submitted by a student or group of students. So you can submit your idea if you are doing it individually, or if you are working in a group of 4 or 5 students, no more than that, so you can submit your idea. So however, a single award will be given to a group of students. So if you are working in a group, you are providing an idea or solution in a group, you are awarded a single award. The proposal would be categorized in groups such as biotechnology, biology, chemical electronics, engineering, or device and design. However, design-based applications are encouraged. The eligible innovations for consideration should be novel and utilitarian for any new concept or idea or design or a solution to existing problem, or completely in a new method, device or utility. The concept of innovation should have been proved through a model or prototype or experimental data. If you have your idea, if you have your device, so it should be you should have a model or a prototype or experimental data. If you are doing any kind of experiment to prove such ideas or any machine or any utility, you should have that experimental data also. So proposal already awarded by the central or state government, ministry or department, organization, or need not to be sent to this scheme. So if you have already any kind of these proposals sent already, you cannot send this to CSIR Innovation Award. So number of prizes and cash award prizes. There are all 15 prizes. Beside a certificate, the cash awards are: first prize, which is only one will be given, which is worth 1 lakh rupees. Second prize, which is given to two participant who are eligible, who will won the second prize, so 50,000 each. Third prize to three participant, which is 30,000 each. Fourth prize is worth of 20,000 each among four participant. Fifth prize worth of 10,000 each. So it is not mandatory that all the above 15 prizes for the award will be given. So where you can send application should be submitted by hard copy through registered post or courier to head CSIR Innovation Protection Unit, NISCAIR building, 14 Satsang Vihar Marg, Special Institutional Area, New Delhi 110067. This is the address for Innovation Award. Hard copies of all the applications should be submitted through post with authentication letter from the school principal on the innovation claim being made. So CSIR Innovation Award for School Children 2021 participant can submit their entry through email ID ciasc.ipu@niscair.res.in. Also, scanned copy of the authentication certificate having seal and date issued by the principal or head of the school where the student is enrolled is necessary with proposal. In absence of the same, your school principal may please forward the entry to email ID ciasc.ipu@niscair.res.in. So deadline for and last date for the submission of these for this award, which is Innovation Award by CSIR, before 31st May 2021. Applications received on or before 31st May will be considered for the award. Announcement of award will be done at 26 September 2021 at New Delhi and would be communicated to the awardees only. The awards will be given to winners on CSIR Foundation Day 26 September 2021. The cost of travel and stay at New Delhi will be borne by CSI. So CSIR will provide all the cost. So dear student, you have to participate as much as you can in large number so that you can win these prizes. So think critically, think innovatively, so that you can innovate something which can be helpful to your locality, to your nation, to your society, to yourself. So please go through this and participate as soon as possible, because the last date is 31st May. So so these are the cash prizes. Again, you can see here this video. So as you participated, think critically and think about the problems nearby you and try to innovate things accordingly. I hope you will participate more and you will provide some innovation to the country. Thank you.